warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Zalatia. I'm from Islamic University, Sultan Taha Saifuddin Jambi. And today I want to tell you a story about Abu Darda, the teacher of humility and the light of knowledge. Dear amazing friends, this time I want to share a story about one the prophet companion whose name might not be heard often, but whose life story remarkable and deeply relevant for us, the young generation facing many challenges. His name was Abu Darda. Imagine a wealthy merchant from Medina whose life was completely changed after embracing Islam, once preoccupied with trade and wealth. He chose to leave all of the behind for one noble purpose, to seek knowledge and spread it. Abu Darda was true embodiment of humility and devotion. He never considered knowledge something to boast about, but rather a trust to be shared. One day, a young man asked him in a small mosque in Medina, Abu Darda, you leave behind a luxury. Why such deep love for knowledge and goodness? Abu Darda smiled gently and replied, this world is temporary, while knowledge is a treasure that never fades. I want to be a servant of knowledge, not ruler of the world. These words might sound simple, but they carry a deep meaning. At the time, Medina was going to grow and a major change. Many people were racing after status and wealth, but Abu Darda chose a different path. Every night he taught the companions and the youth about religious knowledge, Quranic interpretation, and the hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. His voice was calm but full of conviction. One night, a young man came to him with a troubled face and said, Abu Darda, I want to become a better person, but I often feel weak and easily give up when facing problems. Abu Darda looked at him with deep concern and said, my friend, true strength does not come from the body, but from a heart filled with faith. Learn the passion, pray, and always return to Allah. Knowledge without deed is like a tree without fruit, and deed without knowledge is like fruit without flavor. The young man fell silent, completed this word. Abu Darda was also known for his great humility, though he was a teacher and the companion of the Prophet. He never saw himself as better than anyone else. One morning, while teaching in the mosque, a fellow companion praised him. Abu Darda, you are so wise and knowledgeable. We've learned so much from you. With a smile, Abu Darda replied, I'm merely the servant of knowledge. This knowledge comes from the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. I'm just pleasing it one, never arrogant, because of knowledge only Allah is knowing. At the point, Abu Darda even slept in the mosque and left behind the comfort of his home to draw closer to Allah and seek knowledge. He believed that the most meaningful life is one filled with knowledge and good deeds, not wealth or luxury. The story of Abu Darda is incredibly relevant for us today. Amid the ease of technology and the flood of information, we often forget that knowledge must be accompanied by good deeds and humility. Abu Darda teaches us to keep learning diligently, to apply knowledge sincerely, and to always remain humble. Your generation, be like Abu Darda. Have the courage to leave behind the adversity and choose the path of truth, because success isn't measured by how much wealth we possess, but by how much benefit and goodness we bring through knowledge. Let's end this story with a prayer. May May we all of the for always visit for knowledge, from avoid and humble like Abu Darda. My friend, we don't need to him the smartest or rich, but we can be the best by filling our life with knowledge, good deeds, and sincerity. Abu Darda proved that being a list isn't about being in the spotlight, but about having a light within the heart that goes forward goodness. Let's keep learning and sharing, become a generation that continues the legacy of goodness from the prophet companions. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.